Well, hey guys, today I'm going to take you through my balcony cabin on the Carnival Breeze. This is balcony cabin 6233. This is a Ford cabin. It's about 10 cabins from the front of the ship, and it's about 10 cabins from the nearest elevator. So, hey, let me open the door. We'll go in and we'll take a look. I'm going to walk in and I'm going to kind of do a spin, then I'll take you and we'll take a look at the inside. Then we'll go out on the balcony and we'll take a look at that. Of course, you can see it's got a bed. There's a nightstand on either side. Of course, this bed will make, I don't think it's a full king, but it's at least a queen. Or you can put the nightstands in the middle and make it twin beds. You also have a couch right here. It makes into a bed, so if you have another person with you. So let's walk right up here and we'll take a look at the closets. Looks like we got 3 doors for our closets. Let's take a look. Inside the number 1 closet, up top you've got your life jackets. Looks like you got a bunch of hangers and quite a bit of room to put stuff. Closet number 2, looks like some more life jackets and hangers. Closet number 3, looks like you got some shelves here. Looks like some more bed linens down there in the bottom. Let's take a look in the bathroom right quick. Looks like your typical cruise ship bathroom. Looks like you got some shelves, sink, toilet. Like you got a handheld shower. Like it's got shampoo and body gel over there. Nothing special, but definitely will get the job done. Got a TV, small TV. Looks like right up here you got some shelves up top. Comes with a safe. Got some 4 drawers, telephone. In the top drawer, you've got a hair dryer. Right here you've got a pull-out bench. Somebody wants to sit down, put on makeup, or use the desk to work. Looks like a couple of sockets. That's the 110 plugs, and I would assume that's a foreign plug. I'm not real sure. A couple of bottles of water that you can actually buy. Down here you've got a small refrigerator, and it looks like you've got a drawer right here. So I know you came to see the balcony. Let me show you right quick. I'm going to go over and open this window. I've pulled the curtain back, and even not being on the balcony, you can let sunlight in or come in. So, all right, here's the part I know you've been waiting on. Let's go out on the balcony. In case I didn't mention it, we're on the starboard or the right-hand side of the ship. We're on deck number 6. Let's go out and I'll let you take a look. I'm going to get over in the corner here. All right. If we look back, we got 2 chairs. One on the far side, if you can see, it's recliner. You can push the back. This one's just a straight chair. You also got a little table there to set drinks on. So let me get over in this area and we'll turn around. I'll let you see. It's not real big, but it's definitely room for 2 or 3 people out here. So let's look over and I'll show you. All right, you can see there's the front of the ship. If you look right up there, you can see that's protruding out. That's where the crew operates the ship from. Now let me turn around. I'll let you look at the back. See people sitting out on the deck. That's deck 5 right below us. It goes from the front to the back. A lot of things happen on that deck. You take a look at the ocean from what it looks like. You sit down in the chair. The balcony has a glass front, so you can actually, if you're not tall enough to see over the balcony, you can actually see through the glass. Well, let me quickly show you some night footage so you can kind of see what it looks like out here at night. Here's a shot of it real dark. You can see there's a cruise ship over there. I'm going to scan back. And there's a cruise ship back there. They're looking down the side of the boat. Guys, I know everybody has their opinions on cabins. I hear a lot of people say, well, I'm not in the cabin very much anyway, so why do I want to waste my money on a balcony? Well, I look at it this way. If you had a balcony, maybe you would spend more time in the cabin. One of my favorite things about a cruise is actually being able to sit out here on my balcony, being private, drinking some coffee, just watching the ocean away from the crowds. But hey, everybody has their own opinion. I'm not trying to sell you a balcony cabin. I'm just giving you my thoughts. But hey, if you've never had a balcony and you can afford a little bit extra, save it up, hey, I highly recommend at least give it a shot once. The only thing is, if you ever get one, you may not go back. But hey, if you enjoyed this video and it helped you out, hey, please give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. Till next time, I will catch you later.